Hello everyone, this is part 2 of doing the research and in ChatGPT, actually having a conversation in ChatGPT, finding a structure and then doing my research in Perplexity and then finally using NotebookLM to come to a conclusion. Yeah, so to I am doing a research about all the institutions that's there in fashion industry, and let me just go to the chat. This is the chat. In the chat, the work that I have to do is that find out, create a matrix and find out how many universities are there, what are their price points, and then I need to have a filter of data based on function, duration, target group, country, and costs. But of course, I cannot read all the documents, and that's where the Notebook LLM comes into place. But the problem with Notebook LLM is that most of the let me just open my browser and pull my browser here. Most of the documents that I uploaded is throwing error. So that's where we are. So we'll have to figure out some way where we can get the whole thing sorted. So let me yeah, so let's do that. And so here is my, let me just go to my Notebook LLM. This is the document. Did I not save the document? Yeah, this is the document, I think. No, this is not the document. I think I did not save the document. So what I'll do is, let me just delete one of these. Yeah, I think I did not save the document. This is 24th. This is, let me delete one of the empty documents. Delete, and then let me name this yes. So just reading the requirement again. So let me just add sources. Just going to add all the sources from the Excel sheet, right? This is the AI, this is the Excel sheet. Yeah, so I'm just going to also go to the docs. This is a spreadsheet. This is my Google spreadsheet. This is not the spreadsheet, sorry. Just go to my Google Sheets. No, I have to go to my Drive, sorry. Let me go to my Drive and open my sheet. And these are my files that's there. So I'll have to copy one by one and paste them. So that to find out which is taken by NotebookLM and which is not taken by NotebookLM. That's the only way that I can see it. If insert, because when it breaks, I have so many files and I cannot see the files again. So let's just go one by one into NotebookLM and then just add them. If there's any better way, I checked on the internet, I don't see there's any better way. Or maybe I can just do, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think every 5 documents I can upload them. Just drag them. Nope, I don't want something like this. Copy, paste, and then now drag them. Why did it go to integers? I have no clue. Okay, undo, Control C, Control V, and then take all of them, Control C, and Control V, and take the entire Control C, Control V, and I think that's a very exhaustive list that I'd created using. Now I'll have to copy all of them, and yeah, so this is done. So let me just take the first 5. This is the first 5, and then copy, and then so that things are easy, and then I have some track of insert. Yeah, if I upload it twice, it does get uploaded twice, huh? By the way, interesting. So I'll just say remove source, delete. I'll just remove this also, remove source, delete, because they are repeat. Yeah. Yeah, these are all fine. And okay, so now let me go to the next 5. I'm good. I have to do all of it separately. There's no other way, because the moment it breaks, then I don't know which link. I cannot see that link here, and the whole thing becomes absolutely messy. That's pretty much is my problem right now. Again, I'm going to add sources. I think let it upload, and then I'll go to the next bunch of information. Yeah, all of them are done. Because when I tried to do it all in one go, it became a mess. So let me choose the next file. Insert. Just go and keep them ready. Is everything done? Just check if everything is done. Usually the errors come at the bottom. Yeah, so this is become an error. That's what I was trying to do. So this link, there is no way that I can copy this link unless I have to go back and see the link. Institute. This is the link. So I'll have to go and open this link, for God's sake. It's a 404. Interesting. That's why it's not opening. Okay, interesting. Maybe this course is no more valid. But it came on Perplexity. Okay, there are some links that may not even be valid, and that's why it's not working. Yeah, let me just search this link. See, it is there, but it's not there exactly where it has to be. Yeah, this is the program. Just found the link. So sometimes we'll have to fix all of this manually, so that my research becomes strong. Yeah, so now this is the correct one. Am I right? Yeah, this is the one. This is the correct one. Yeah, exactly. And this is the source. And this is the correct one, AI driven, fashion, merchandising, air, luxury, and this is the wrong. So this can be removed. That's what I'll remove all of them separately. So one error sorted. So similarly, I have to go and fix all of it one by one. I don't see any other way in sorting this entire thing. See now, there are more errors that has come up. Pretty much looking the same. Yeah. Yeah, here you go. There's another AI generative course that's also not opening. Why it must be also a 404 page. Oh no, it's opening. It is working. Why is this not opening? Let me check. Let's upload it separately and see whether it's working. Yeah, now it's working. Oh, sometimes when you upload it together, there are some issues. Okay, let's just remove all the more failed sources. So I'll have to kind of scrutinize everything one by one and then fix the whole thing. Or one more thing that I can do is, instead of uploading all of it again and again and again, I can also find out which one are repeating and then just remove duplicates, right? That's something that I can do. If I can just go here and format. I don't know how to remove duplicates in I know it in Excel, but I don't know how to remove duplicates in data. It should be in data, right? Data cleanup. No duplicates. Yes, has an header row. The data has an header row, but I think data has a header row. Yes, and then select all, column A. Yes. Duplicates 135, 91 duplicates. There you go. There are duplicates also. So now, should I have to start from the beginning, or what do I do? There were a lot of duplicates because I'll have to start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is something that I did not think about it at the beginning. Now that I've thought about it, I'll be able to do it much faster. Just 150 data, which is going to be much easier to sort it. Control C. 100 is I'm doing a batch of 5, so that's like some 20 times I'll have to repeat the whole thing, which is fine. Not a lot of work. I'll be able to clean this data in like maybe. So now let me have to start from the beginning. Let me go back. I'm going to start a new LLM, and then let me start from the beginning. So the first 5, I'm a little finicky and a perfectionist, so to speak. I'll have to somehow start from the beginning. Yeah. Yes, so I think now it should work pretty fine. Should I just upload the entire thingy and see what happens? Just change the color. It's easy for my eyes. I'll wait for the upload to happen, and once the upload happens, then so I'm just looking for an N8N logic. See, this is not which. This is the one which is AI-driven fashion product and development merchandising. This one, the AI-driven fashion product and development merchandising. This is not working. Let me just go and open it. Oops, not found. So let me just go to a Google search and do a Google search on it. Sorry, go to google.com and then go do a Google search on it. AI driven product fashion product and merchandising. Is that the one? AI driven fashion product development and merchandising? Yeah, that's the one. Then it must be just a link issue. Just add this and paste it here and insert. So this should be fine. And the other one is that LCTF thingy. Where is my LCTF? Here. Let's try to open it. It's there. I don't know why it's not opening. Let's Control C and then let me try to paste it separately and see whether the LCTF one is opening. It did work, right? Huh. Yeah, AI. This is the one, right? Advanced Skill Certificate in AI. Yeah, it worked. Sometimes when you copy it together, it is not working, and when you give it like a personal attention and do it, the Notebook LLM is fixing it. I mean, this is what we have right now. Maybe in the future versions they might remove all the, yeah, in the future versions they might do a better job. Not sure. Again, let me just, yeah, go to the next.
Oh, I like the turning radius on this McLaren. It's super
Yeah,
nice.
now
Is it too short?
ISBRON, this artificial intelligence merchandising 2 months
The turning stick.
is not there. This one IS, no, I think this one is not open. Artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence course. Let's open it and see. Sometimes when it's opening and then if I copy paste it, it's working. I don't know, maybe there's some, see, it's working, right? It'll work right now. Like copy paste this.
Oh, turning radius of this is good. No, it's actually good now. The McLaren, no? Oh, but it's not so.
See, it's
It's not so
working.
good. Oh,
It
it's
worked.
coming off the clip. It's not so good also. You can put an extra punch on this.
So what do? I just remove all fake sources.
Put an extra punch, yes.
What else was
Oh.
failing? I think everything else. There was no issue in this. Just one of them was failing. So choose
See, mine is super tight. See, it's also a racing car.
source control.
No, that's a road legal car. I know it's road legal, but it's still a racing car. No, it's not. Yes, it is. That's the one that's.
I have background music which is like,
That's a sport. Your 30 minutes is not so. Yeah, because it's from the e-car.
yeah, this is good, right?
They're not made for.
It's a very pleasant
Ideal
background
road
music.
things. They're just made for use and then. And this is enough what you need for the editing plan. Oh, but it's not good enough for me. It's on you.
And then go to a song. Is this too loud? I'm feeling suddenly it's
Please
just.
go get my truck. You can go get it done. You want to come? Please, can you come? The doors are off. This thing is only not there. Can you come, please? What?
Yeah, I think this should be a good background music, right? And then I'll also have another. I have certain affirmations that goes on in my background. I can perhaps do that also. Yeah, this one.
Master Chokohari
Put it on
meditation.
that list.
It is in the giving that we receive. As we sow abundantly,
I didn't say speed.
this is the divine. As wisely and abundantly,
I didn't say speed. I said on the.
great financial and material prosperity.
This one is
Money flows to me easily, constantly, and in great abundance.
actually mine is.
Do you find this too loud?
But it's mine match. I don't want to match.
So much success. And I live a life of moderation
Yeah, I think this is fine. Perfectly set.
and very happy. I'm enjoying every
And we can see the background, we can hear the background music also.
It is
Yeah.
not completely cable.
So
I thought
I
you
think
said
it should be
it's not
perfect.
a toy. It's not a toy, but it's
Yeah, so where we were just, did I copy this and finish this? I don't think so. Control C.
It is in the
Let me
giving
go
that we
back.
receive. As we
yes,
sow
Add
about
sources.
this is the
Insert.
divine. As I give and share generously and abundantly, my life is blessed with great financial and material prosperity. Money flows
Yeah,
to me
all
easily,
done.
constantly, and in great abundance.
Nice and
Whatever I invest
perfect.
comes
Let's
back to me
just
many, many
in the
times.
car.
go
My
change
life
the
is
I
blessed
color.
with
thought to remove it and
so
connect
much
the diagram.
prosperity,
And
so
then
much
go to the
success.
next set
I'm
of
blessed with tremendous prosperity, and I
links.
live a life of moderation, discipline,
Yes, and
and
then you push it
spirituality.
around.
I'm healthy and very happy. I'm
Like
enjoying
you
every
jumped
moment
it
of my life.
also.
May
Jumped it.
every person,
Yeah,
every
that's
being
what you
be
were
blessed
there.
with good health, happiness, prosperity, and spiritual
Done?
blessings.
When you are
Oh
in
wow,
class, you
got
know.
uploaded.
So be it.
That's
If your mom is not
pretty
present.
quick.
It is in the giving that we
If my
receive.
mom is not
As
present.
we sow
If your
abundantly,
mom is not there, you know.
this is the divine.
Not work. I'll have to click
As
two
I give
times.
and share
Then why
generously
do
and
I allow it
That's
abundantly,
like
pretty
my
weird.
life is blessed with great
you
financial
leave
and
it on
material
there.
prosperity. Money
Hmm.
flows to me easily, constantly,
You break
and
it,
in
I can
great
easily break
abundance.
up. Don't
Whatever I
keep it.
invest comes back to me many, many times. My life is blessed with so much abundance, so much prosperity,
Go
so much
down and
success.
check. Ha.
I'm blessed with
This is an
tremendous
error.
prosperity, and I live a life of
BAI
moderation,
Academy. BAI
discipline, and
Academy
spirituality.
is
I'm healthy and very
this one.
happy. I'm enjoying every moment of
Control
my life.
C,
May
Control
every
V,
person,
enter,
every being be blessed with
and
good
then go
health,
back and
happiness,
delete.
prosperity, and spiritual
Remove all
blessings.
fake sources.
Thanks, Anand. So be it.
It's working,
As
right?
the
That's
divine.
information.
Meditation on
Sometimes I have
prosperity.
no clue
Oh, look,
why
why
As
is
every
this loose?
person we receive,
it
as we
doesn't
sow
work.
This.
abundantly, giving prosperity. This is the divine intent. As I
Just
give and share generously and
the
abundantly,
worst part is if it
my
doesn't
life
work,
is
so I
blessed
cannot
with
download the
great
one
financial and
doesn't work
material
and then
prosperity.
just shortlist and upload it.
Constantly,
That's why I have
and
to
in
do
great
like,
abundance.
oh, again it
Whatever
failed.
I invest comes back to me many, many times.
This is
My life
failing,
is
man, for
blessed
some
with so
reason.
much abundance, so much prosperity, so much success. I'm blessed with tremendous prosperity, and I live a life of
Oh,
moderation,
look, why is this so loose?
discipline,
I don't
and
know, something
spirituality.
broken. I have to
I'm
do
healthy
this.
and very happy. I'm enjoying every moment of my life. May every person, every being be blessed with
Let me
good
open
health,
all the
happiness, prosperity, and
images.
spiritual blessings.
Schedule
Thanks,
dates
Anand.
are
So be
these.
it.
Course venue, schedule dates.
Meditation on prosperity.
The
It
price
is in the
information
giving
is
that we
also here.
receive.
I
As
want
we sow
this
abundantly, giving prosperity.
page pretty
This is the
much.
divine intent.
Let
As
me
I
just
give and share generously and
copy
abundantly,
this
my
entire
life is
thing.
blessed with great financial and material
Hit
prosperity.
price.
Money flows to me easily,
Yeah.
constantly,
Control
and
C.
in great abundance.
And then
Whatever I invest comes back to
have
me
a
many, many times.
doc.
My life is blessed with so much abundance, so much prosperity,
Create a doc.
so much success. I'm blessed with tremendous prosperity, and I live a life of
Paste it.
moderation, discipline, and spirituality. I'm healthy and very
Call
happy. I'm
this
enjoying every moment of my life. May every person, every being be blessed with good health, happiness,
the direction is
prosperity,
also here
and
and then
spiritual
pounds
blessings.
is also here.
Thanks, Anand, for
So
today.
the best is I think I opened
Constant
all of
abundance.
it.
Meditation on
The
prosperity.
best is to take a
It is in the
snapshot of
giving
the
that we
entire
receive.
one.
As we sow
Right.
abundantly, giving abundantly. This is
Record
the divine.
capture the full
As I
page.
give and share
So
generously and
let it capture
abundantly,
the full page.
my life is blessed with great financial and material prosperity. Money flows to me easily, constantly, and in great abundance.
That's an image. Or
Whatever I
we can do
invest
what
comes
we
back
can
to
do
me
is
many,
just do
many
a
times.
print screen.
My life is blessed with so much abundance, so much prosperity, so much success. I'm blessed with
Print,
tremendous prosperity, and
and
I
you'll
live
get
a
the whole
life of
page.
moderation, discipline, and
Say
spirituality.
that saves as
Thanks,
PDF.
Anand. I'm enjoying every moment
Just
of my
gonna
life.
save this,
May
I
every
think,
person, every being be blessed with good health,
and
happiness,
I'll save it on my
prosperity, and
downloads.
spiritual blessings. Thanks, Anand, for
And
today. So
just
be it.
use
Constant
Notebook
abundance.
LM
Meditation on prosperity. It
and
is in the giving that we
go
receive.
back,
As
add
we sow
sources,
abundantly, giving
and
prosperity.
upload file.
This is the divine intent. As I give and share generously and abundantly,
Now check
my
whether
life is blessed with tremendous prosperity.
it's
Money
being
flows to
getting
me
uploaded.
easily, constantly, and in great abundance.
This is a
Whatever
workaround
I invest comes back to me many,
because
many
if
times.
they update
My life is blessed
the
with
link,
tremendous prosperity.
it's not going to be used.
Thanks, Anand. So
It's
be
just
it.
a workaround.
I'm blessed with tremendous
It can
prosperity,
be done.
and I live a life of
And
moderation, discipline, and spirituality.
let's see how much time it takes
I'm
for the update
enjoying
to
every
happen.
moment of my life. May every person, every being be blessed with good health, happiness, prosperity, and spirituality. Thanks, Anand, for today.
I think downloading it as a PDF is a much better
meditation
thing
improves
than
focus,
going and
creativity,
deleting and then putting it on
as
the
we
top.
saw
So
about
let's just
remove a button. This is the divide.
trash delete this.
As I give and share generously and abundantly, my life is blessed with great
But I
financial
have
and
no clue
material
why some
prosperity,
websites work and why
money
some
flows to me
services do not
easily,
work.
constantly,
This
and in
seems
great abundance.
really
Whatever
a
I
pretty
invest comes back to me many, many times.
normal
My
website.
life
Let's
is
see
blessed
whether
with so much abundance, so
because it's
much
a PDF, it's
prosperity,
taking a
so
long
much
time.
success. I'm blessed with
Interesting.
tremendous prosperity, and I live a life of
Okay,
moderation,
let me just go to the
discipline,
next set of
and spirituality. I'm healthy and very happy.
things.
I'm enjoying every moment of my life. May every person, every being be blessed with good health, happiness, prosperity, and spirituality.
I'm not sure.
Thanks and unfulfilled, so complete. Master geography,
Control
meditation
C,
on prosperity. It is in the giving that we receive.
and then
As we
let
sow
me just
abundantly,
go to
we
the
reap
next set of my
abundance.
work.
This
Control
is
V.
the divine law. As I give
I
and
can
share
actually
generously and
work
abundantly,
on an
my
N8N
life is blessed with great financial and
where
material
it can
prosperity,
go check the
money
website
flows
and
to
then
me
upload
easily,
it,
constantly, and in
all that
great
stuff
abundance.
that can be done
Whatever I invest comes back to me
instead of
many, many
manually
times.
pasting
My
this.
life is blessed with so
I mean,
much
I'm just doing
abundance,
this for
so
one
much
time, so
prosperity,
therefore I'm
so
manually
much
pasting the
success.
entire
I'm blessed with tremendous
thing.
prosperity, and I live
I'm
a
how
life
long?
of
I'm half
moderation,
the way. No,
discipline, and
120, 60
spirituality.
something.
I'm
Just
healthy
less
and
than
very
half the
happy.
way.
I'm enjoying
That's
every
alright. I
moment of
think
my life.
it took
May
us
every person, every being be blessed with good health, happiness, prosperity,
around
and
30 minutes.
spirituality. Thanks and
I'll be able to
unfulfilled,
do it in another
so
30
complete.
minutes, which is okay.
Master
1 hour of
geography,
work.
meditation on prosperity. It is in the giving that we receive.
I'm also thinking
As we
that all
sow
these
abundantly,
links
we
are
reap
all
abundance. This is the
from
divine
abroad.
law.
I can
As
just
I
say that
give
can
and
you
share
give me a list of
generously and abundantly,
from
my
Indian
life is blessed with
institutes
great financial and material prosperity,
because I'm doing a
money
research on
flows to
Indian
me
institutes. I
easily,
just until
constantly, and in great abundance. Whatever I invest comes back to me many, many times. My life is blessed with so much abundance, so much prosperity, so much success. I'm blessed with tremendous prosperity, and I live a life of moderation, discipline, and
so
spirituality. I'm healthy and very happy. I'm enjoying
see
every
there is
moment of my
one,
life.
two, three,
May
four,
every person, every
four
being be
errors.
blessed with good health,
I'll have to go
happiness,
and debug them one
prosperity,
by one.
and
The first one
spirituality.
was this.
Thanks and unfulfilled,
Let me
so
go and
complete.
check whether this
Master
website is even
geography,
there.
meditation on
Let me
prosperity.
close all
It is
the
in the
old
giving that
ones.
we receive. As we sow abundantly,
Yeah, the
we reap
website is
abundance.
there pretty much.
This is the divine law.
Sometimes I have
As
no
I give
clue
and share
why
generously and abundantly, my life
they
is
don't
blessed with
work.
great financial and
This is
material prosperity, money flows to me easily,
247.
constantly, and in great abundance.
Ah,
Whatever
the
I
notebook
invest
has
comes back to me
reached a
many, many
source
times.
limit. What's
My
the
life is
highest
blessed with
source
so much
limit?
abundance, so
I
much
don't want to
prosperity,
ask.
so much success. I'm blessed with tremendous prosperity, and I live a life of moderation, discipline, and spirituality. I'm healthy and very happy. I'm enjoying every moment of my life. May every person, every being be blessed with good health, happiness, prosperity, and spirituality. Thanks and unfulfilled, so complete. Master geography, meditation on prosperity. It is in the giving that we receive. As we sow abundantly, we reap abundance. This is the divine law.
So let me
As
just
I give and share generously and
upgrade
abundantly,
it.
my life is blessed with great financial and material prosperity. Money
Do
flows
I
to
have to
me
get a
easily,
workspace?
constantly, and in great abundance. Whatever I invest comes back to me many, many times. My life is blessed with so much abundance, so much prosperity, so much success. I'm blessed with tremendous prosperity, and I
I'm
live
gonna
a
do
life
this.
of
I'm gonna
moderation,
upgrade my notebook LLM
discipline,
because
and
this is an
spirituality.
important
I'm
project for
healthy and
me.
very happy. I'm enjoying
Let me
every
put
moment of
my
my life. May every person,
details
every being
and
be
then
blessed
I'll
with
show it
good
to you
health,
guys because
happiness, prosperity,
I don't
and
want the data
spirituality.
to go on the
Thanks and
internet.
unfulfilled, so complete. Master geography, meditation on
So
prosperity.
just
It is in the giving that we receive. As we sow abundantly, we reap abundantly. This is the divine law. As I give and share generously and abundantly, my life is blessed with great financial and material prosperity. Money flows to me easily, constantly, and in great abundance. Whatever I invest comes back to me many, many times. My life is blessed with so much abundance, so much prosperity, so much success. I'm blessed with tremendous prosperity, and I live a life of moderation,
it's asking for my
discipline,
credit card
and
details. Just
spirituality.
hold on, guys.
I'm healthy and very happy. I'm enjoying every
Um,
moment of my life.
I'm upgrading my
May every
notebook
person, every being
LLM.
be blessed with good health,
Once I do that,
happiness, prosperity,
then
and
I'll be able to do
spirituality.
this work.
Thanks and unfulfilled, so complete. Master geography, meditation on prosperity. It is in the giving that we receive. As we sow abundantly, we reap abundance. This is
There's a top limit of 50 sources.
As we saw about using Zomato,
I
this
think I've hit the 50 source
give and share everything.
limit today.
Life is blessed
So
with great financial and material prosperity. Money flows to me
I think I upgraded it. I'm not sure.
and
Let's see.
great abundance.
If I haven't, then I just have to 247, right? That's where. Yeah, I think
So much success.
I did something where it got upgraded on its own.
I live a
So
life of discipline and
or maybe
spirituality.
because the payment did not go through,
I
it might
enjoy
ask in a
every
while.
moment of my
If it
life.
asks, then I'll upgrade it.
Every
Nothing
moment
to worry.
blessed with good health, happiness, prosperity, and spirituality. Thanks and unlock daily.
Yeah.
Master joy of breathing,
So
meditation,
here you go,
it
and
is in the giving that we
I'm
give.
going to
As we sow abundantly, we reap abundantly. This is
this
my mindset. As I give and share, I receive abundantly. Life is blessed
one.
with great financial and material prosperity.
Just
Giving costs nothing, and money flows back to me many, many times.
just a
This
minute, guys.
mindset
I'll just
brings so much
maybe
prosperity.
mute myself in some way, and then
Blessed with tremendous
Hello.
prosperity, and I live a life of progression,
Yes.
discipline, and spirituality. I'm feeling
Hmm.
very good. I'm enjoying every moment of my life. May every person, every
E-
being be blessed with good health,
Yeah. No,
happiness,
I am.
prosperity, and spirituality.
No,
Thank you
I
for
just.